Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something that is found in every Indian kitchen, and that is curry leaf. Most of us add it just for the flavor, but modern science has proven that curry leaves have powerful health benefits. So let's explore the top research-backed benefit of curry leaves. Curry leaves are packed with vitamin A, B, C, and E, along with minerals like calcium, iron, and phosphorus. These nutrients support immunity, healthy skin, and overall body functions. Several studies, including one published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology, show that curry leaves can help regulate blood sugar levels. They improve insulin activity, making them especially beneficial for people managing type 2 diabetes. Curry leaves contain carbazole alkaloids, natural compounds that improve fat metabolism. This means regular consumption of curry leaves may help in weight management when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Curry leaves may reduce bad cholesterol and protect the heart. They are also known to improve digestion by supporting healthy gut function. No wonder both Ayurveda and modern nutrition recommend them. Traditionally, curry leaves have been used for hair fall, premature graying, and skin health. Scientific studies show they are rich in antioxidant and beta-carotene, which strengthen hair follicle and slow down skin aging. Remember, curry leaves are not a miracle cure. They should be a part of a balanced diet, and if you have any medical condition, always consult your doctor first. So friends, next time you use curry leaves, remember they are not just for flavor, but for a healthy diet too. How do you use curry leaf in your daily cooking? Comment below and share your ideas. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more science-backed diet and nutrition tips. See you in the next video.